Morning guys, February 13th, 2023. This one here I got a call for third floor no heat. I believe I'm familiar with the house. I've worked there before in the past. And I believe he's got forced hot water and third floor seems to be an issue is what he says. He got no heat on the third floor. I think he's got a first company unit up there if I remember right. So we'll go over there and see if we can find out what's going on with it. If it's a first company unit, maybe the feeder in the basement stuck, or either a circulator or a zone valve issue. Could be anything. So we'll go over there and we'll figure it out for the guy one way or another. We'll get him fixed one way or another. That's a song, Molly. One way or another. On heat, automatic. It could be that this thing is an issue. There's a battery in here. It's a thermostat because he says the fan was working, so maybe. Check the basement. We've got a boiler down here. I don't think I've ever even looked at it. Alright, so he's got a boiler here. I don't know if the feeder's stuck. No, that's not stuck. He's got to have zone valves. Yeah, he's got zone valves here. Right, he's got 3 zones here. I turned the second and first floor down, so the only one that should be calling is the third. That one's not calling. This one's not. And that one's not. I would think that would be the one because it's hot. We're going to check it. There should be power between 1 and 2. Red and white should have power to it. And if that's the case, it's probably a bad head. Let's see if we can get over there and check it. Let's see if we got power on 1 and 2. No power. Could be that thermostat's bad. We got no power. Nothing there. Let's check this one. Nothing there. Nothing on this one either. So we got either a bad thermostat. Something's going on with that. We got no power. No power. No power. So I'm not getting any power from the thermostat back down here. Could be the thermostat. So right. There should be heat. Power coming out of the transformer, but I got nothing going to coming back from the third floor, so it's going to be up in the first company unit. I do see this door's ajar. Maybe that's it. See the screw's not in there. Let me see. Maybe I could see if I could put that back together. For some reason it's not in. Maybe that's got something to do with it. There it goes. That's all it was. The door switch. Well, that was an easy one. I gotta fix that. That's kind of weird, I think. I don't know why that wouldn't be on there. See, there's up here playing around with it. Unless it's stripped. Could very well be that it's stripped. It's not going in all the way for some reason. Go in there now. That's all it was. We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and make sure that the pipes get hot before we go. Yeah, it's starting to get warm now. That's probably what it was. We could reattach the thermostat and that should work. It's getting warm now. I think that's what it was, guy. The door popped off. Come on, jar. There's a safety switch in there. Shut everything off. Shut off the power to the transformer. Simple. I'm getting warm now. I can hear the fan running too, so that's good. That's an easy one. Make sure the thermostat's working, put it back on, and it's in there. It could be this thermostat's bad too. Somebody was up there playing around. Pipes are nice and warm, so it's working now. Looks like the door just came ajar. It's working now. Somebody was up here because this light's been on and I don't know how to shut it off. So I'm thinking that there's a switch somewhere, but I can't find it. I'm just gonna. Might have been the home, might have been up here. Just loosen it for now. I don't see any switch to turn the light off. Set up for 65, that's what he's got all the other ones set at. I turned it up and it kicked on again, so it should be good. It's shutting off right there. Put this one back to 65. And same thing on the first floor. This is second. And put this one back. I didn't want to get a false reading and working on the wrong zone, right? Yeah, this is gonna be third right here because this is the only one that's got the big pipe. So I must have got satisfied and shut off. He's running. He's a runner. I plugged the pump back in over there. Yeah, the sub pump. I plugged it back in. That's it. It's got heat now. This one's gonna be third. It's definitely working. It's getting nice and hot, so. And we know the feed is not stuck because I did open it. Very good. So I shut everything off, the lights off. Miss Molly, how's it going?